let's start. Self-induction. Self-induction. What is that? Right now, self-induction. Self-induction. Self-induction क्या है? बोलो. अरे self-induction means automatically induced in the circuit itself. Clear? That means what? Whenever you are taking a coil, whenever you are taking a coil, and it is connected to a cell, external cell through a key, then what will happen? When the switch is off, no current is flowing through the coil. When the switch is on, immediately I current is flowing through the coil. I current is flowing. Try to understand this now. Now, initially, there was no current, but when you switch on, I current is flowing through the coil. Then what will happen? There is a change in current. You see, inside the coil, there is a change in current occurs. Do you follow this or not? Due to change in current, there is a change in magnetic flux. Due to change in magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in the coil. Try to understand this. समझ में आ रहा है? तो when switch is off, no current is flowing through the coil. When you are what? When the switch is on, I current is flowing through the coil. Means the current is changing from 0 to I through the coil. The current is changing from 0 to I. As the current is changing, so magnetic field is changing. Due to change in magnetic field, magnetic flux is changing. Due to change in magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in the coil. And what is the direction of induced EMF? According to Lenz's law, the direction of induced EMF is such that it opposes the very cause which produces it. What is the very cause in this case? अरे very cause क्या है? बोलो. अरे very cause क्या है?
करंट
सर. बोलो. स्पंदन बोलो. Very cause क्या है?
सर करंट
Current क्या है? Current is increasing. Current is increasing. The EMF induced in the circuit is what? Due to increasing current. तो अभी करंट को क्या करेगा? बोलो देवी प्रसाद. करंट को क्या करेगा? डिक्रीज करेगा. Therefore, the direction of induced current is opposite to the what? Flow of current. अभी जो EMF induce होगा ये उल्टा डायरेक्शन में इंड्यूस होगा. वही सर्किट है, एक ही सर्किट में इंड्यूस उल्टा डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है. Therefore, it never allow the current to increase suddenly to I. Clear? As an EMF is induced in opposite direction of this current, therefore the current never increases suddenly to I. Clear? This 0 to I is known as growth current. Means it opposes the growth current by inducing an EMF in itself. As inducing an EMF in itself, therefore this is known as self-induction. Is that clear? As EMF is induced in itself, therefore it is known as self-induction. Is that clear? अरे समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो.
यस सर यस
किसका डाउट है बोलो.
सर
फिर से देखो. Whenever switch is off, current was 0. When you are switching on here, I current is flowing through the circuit. So there is a change in growth current. You see, growth current is changing 0 to I. The current is changing. As the current is changing from 0 to I, there is a change in magnetic field. Whenever magnetic field is changing, the flux is changing. Due to change in magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in the circuit itself. And what is the direction of induced EMF? And what is the direction of induced EMF here? The direction of induced EMF is such that it opposes the very cause which produces it. Cause क्या है? Cause is increasing current. Means it opposes the increasing current. Lenz's law. How can it opposes the increasing current? By sending an EMF in opposite to the flow of current. You see, an EMF is induced what? Opposite to the what? Flow of current. This is known as self-induction. This phenomenon is known as self-induction. Clear what? And this is also known as back EMF. And this is also known as back EMF. Clear what? Hello.
यस सर
yes sir.
Clear what? Similarly, when you switch off circuit now the current is what? Changing from I to 0. This is known as decay current. पहले I current था, अगर switch off कर दिया तो क्या होगा? The current is decreasing from I to 0. This is known as decay current. This is what? Decay current. Decay current means decreasing current. The current is decreasing from I to 0. Thereby also what? Whenever the current is changing from I to 0, the magnetic field also changing from B to 0. As there is a change in magnetic field, definitely change in magnetic flux is there. Due to change in magnetic flux, an EMF is induced in the circuit. Now, what is the direction of induced EMF? Bolo? What is the cause of induced EMF? The cause क्या है induced
Decreasing
EMF?
current.
Decreasing current means it will increase the current. अरे जो भी होगा अपोजिट होगा, बताया था ना लास्ट क्लास में. Understand this?
Yes.
Current को increase करेगा. How it increase the current? How it increase the current? You see? How it will
Opposite
increase the current? Along the same direction में जाएगा. अगर ये डायरेक्शन में करंट डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ये डायरेक्शन में करंट डिक्रीज हो रहा है, तो इंड्यूस ईएमएफ भी उसी डायरेक्शन में ही जाएगा. इंड्यूस ईएमएफ अरे समझ में उसी डायरेक्शन में आ जाएगा, अपोजिट नहीं है, सेम डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, क्योंकि इट विल अपोज द वेरी कॉज व्हिच प्रोड्यूसेस इट. करंट इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो उसको डिक्रीज करेगा, करंट अगर डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो इसको इंक्रीज करेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? Clear? It opposes the growth current as well as decay current. It opposes the growth current how? By inducing an EMF in opposite direction. It opposes the decay current how? By inducing an EMF along the same direction of current. अरे समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो? Therefore it is known as self induction. तो घर में जो CFL बॉल हम यूज कर रहे हैं, देखो जब हम स्विच ऑन कर रहे हैं 10 मिनट या 5 मिनट के बाद फुल इंटेंसिटी में ग्रो करेगा. समझ रहे? ग्लो करेगा. वाह. अगर स्विच ऑफ करो स्टिल देन द फिलामेंट इज ग्लोइंग अप टू 10 मिनट्स और 15 मिनट्स. दैट इज व्हाई ड्यू टू सेल्फ इंडक्शन. ये सब सर्किट सेल्फ इंडक्शन में कनेक्टेड है, इसलिए लेटली ग्लो कर रहा है, लेटली वो क्या है ऑफ हो रहा है. इन क्रिकेट स्टेडियम अगर 6 बजे हमको लाइट चाहिए तो 4 बजे ऑन करते हैं, देखा है कभी? हेलो? अरे देखा है क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में है? अगर 4 बजे स्पंदन देखा होगा है? अरे 6 बजे अगर लाइट चाहिए क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में 4 बजे ऑन करते हैं, 2 घंटे पहले क्यों ऑन करते हैं? अरे फुल इंटेंसिटी में ग्लो करने के लिए उसको 2 घंटे की जरूरत होता है, क्योंकि इसमें सब इंडक्टर में कनेक्टेड है. बॉल सब क्या है? इंडक्टर में सब कनेक्टेड है, इसको बोलते हैं इंडक्टर. ये इंडक्टर इंडक्शन जिसमें हो रहा है वो डिवाइस का नाम है इंडक्टर, सर्किट का नाम है इंडक्टर. कैपेसिटेंस से कैपेसिटर, इंडक्टेंस से इंडक्टर, रेजिस्टेंस से रेजिस्टर है. समझ में? इंडक्टर से कनेक्टेड किया गया है बॉल सब. इसका फायदा क्या है? Why you are connecting to the inductor? For long life. Understand this? एक बॉल को मैंने रेजिस्टेंस में कनेक्ट किया, दूसरे बॉल को एक इंडक्टर में कनेक्ट किया. This is what ball B1, this is what ball B2. Which ball will fuse first? Which ball will fuse first?
So inductor meaning?
इंडक्टर मीन्स दिस द इंडक्टर कॉइल है, जो सोलनॉइड कॉइल है ना उसी तरह उसी का टाइप होगा, एंड ये इसी को इंडक्टर बोला जाता है. समझ में? सोलनॉइड एयर कोड सोलनॉइड को इंडक्टर बोला जाता है. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So what is that? Which ball will fuse first? Tell me, B1 or B2? One ball is connected to the resistance and another is to the inductor. Which ball will fuse first? Tell me.
The first ball.
First ball will fuse first. The ball which is connected to the resistance, and the ball which is connected to the inductor fuse lately. Why? Because what will happen here? No back EMF is there. Instantly the current is flowing from 0 to I. Instantly it is what? Switching off from I to 0. Understand this? Therefore the filament is quickly what? Quickly expanding and quickly contracting. Therefore expansion contraction quick in case of B1. Therefore chances of fuse is bright in B1. But in B2 what? It is connected through the inductor. Therefore slowly it will glow and slowly it will off. Therefore what? The filament will adjust accordingly. So chances of fuse will be less. इसलिए CFL बॉल में 1 ईयर वारंटी देते हैं. घर में जो एलईडी फेलईडी है ना उसमें 1 ईयर वारंटी देते हैं. क्यों? सभी इंडक्टर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में जो लाइट लगाया गया है, फ्लड लाइट बहुत हाइट में लगाया जाता है, फ्यूज होने का चांसेस कम जो होगा उसी को यूज करेंगे. तो इसलिए इस सब बॉल के साथ हाई इंडक्टर जॉइन है. अरे बहुत सारे इंडक्टर एक बॉल के साथ जॉइन है, कितना बॉल सब है देखो. इसलिए इसको ग्लो करने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स लगता है. इसलिए 2 घंटे पहले से इसको ग्लो करते हैं. समझ में? क्लियर? अरे
Sir,
हेलोजन लाइट
voice-
क्या बोलो? हेलो, अभी अभी
Sir,
सुनाई दिया?
voice break.
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है, ओके, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है। हाँ हाँ, अभी
नहीं
अभी
सर,
सुनाई दिया?
अभी
ओके, अरे सुनाई दिया? ओके, अरे फिर क्लाउड हो गया यहीं पे, इसलिए पूरा प्रॉब्लम हो गया। ओके, so what is that here? Therefore, this is known as self-induction. Self-induction, what? It opposes the growth current as well as decay current by inducing an EMF in itself. As the EMF is induced in itself in the circuit only, therefore it is known as self-induction. Clear हुआ? अरे clear हुआ सभी का? Clear हो गया? लिखो, write down self-induction. Write down, this is the property of the circuit by virtue of which this is the property of the circuit by virtue of which this is the property of the circuit by virtue of which it opposes the growth current as well as decay current. It opposes the growth current as well as decay current.
sir again, sir, or
And
again.
this is the property of the circuit by virtue of which it opposes the growth current as well as decay current. Growth current means increasing current. Growth current as well as decay current by inducing an EMF in itself. By inducing an EMF in itself. By inducing an EMF in itself. In itself. You see, this is analogous to inertia. अरे मैकेनिकल इनर्शिया जो है, ये भी इनर्शिया वही है, कैसे एनालोगस हो गया? राइट ऑन, दिस इज एनालोगस टू, राइट ऑन, दिस इज एनालोगस टू इनर्शिया इन मैकेनिक्स. हेलो, बोलो बोलो बोलो. Analogous to inertia in mechanics. Analogous to inertia. Inertia क्या है?
Meaning of analogous.
Analogous is same, similar, almost similar. Analogous to what? Inertia. Analogous to inertia in mechanics. What do you mean by inertia? Newton's first law. If the body is at rest, it will remain at rest, and if it is in motion, it will continue that motion along the same straight line unless and until it is expelled by some external force. This is what? Inertia. Here also same. Unless and until growth current or decay current, what? There is no EMF induced. If there is a change in growth current and decay current, what will happen? Definitely an EMF will be induced in the circuit. Therefore, it is what? Analogous to inertia. Understand this? अरे समझ में है? हेलो, अरे समझ में है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, लिखो. नेक्स्ट इज योर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ सेल्फ इंडक्शन. क्या है? राइट डाउन, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ सेल्फ इंडक्शन. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ सेल्फ इंडक्शन.
सर वो डायग्राम बनाने का क्या?
हाँ, डायग्राम ये बनाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बना दो. इसको मत बनाओ, कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. इसको क्लियर हो गया?
Yes sir.
Now, coefficient of self-induction. What is that? Coefficient of self-induction. You see, as magnetic flux phi m is directly proportional to the amount of current flowing through the circuit. Large is the change in magnetic flux, large is the current flowing through the circuit. That means phi m is directly proportional to I. So I can write here phi m is equal Li, where L is known as coefficient of self-induction. Right down, where L is known as coefficient of self-induction, or inductance. Self-inductance. जैसे कैपेसिटेंस था, रेजिस्टेंस था, ये इंडक्टेंस हो गया. self-inductance है, L is a constant and this is known as coefficient of self-induction or self-inductance. Clear? Write down. According to Faraday's second law of electromagnetic induction, write down. According to Faraday's second law of electromagnetic induction, what is that? EMF induced E is equal minus d phi m by dt. That is what? Minus d by dt of phi m. Phi m is what? Li. So this implies E is equal minus L di by dt. This is what induced EMF. EMF induced is what? E is equal minus L di by dt. L is constant, you can take it out, and E is equal minus L di by dt. Is that clear? Are you clear what? Hello? Hello? Got this?
Yes, sir.
Now, units of L. Write down. What is the units of L? Units of L is what? Write down in SI. In SI, what is that? L is equal E by minus di by dt. E is equal 1 volt, and this is what? 1 ampere per second. This is known as 1 Henry, capital H. Capital S stands for Henry. नाम सुना है Henry? हुआ? And in CGS it has 2 units. What? Electromagnetic and electrostatic. So electrostatic में 1 start volt by 1 stat ampere divided by second. This is what? 1 ESU of inductance. ESU of inductance. Electrostatic unit of inductance. Clear? Now what is the dimension of L? L dimension हो गिरेगा. L dimension is what? E divided by di by dt. Now E is what? E same as B. That is what? W by Q into dt by di. Now just put the dimension of W. M1 L2 T minus 2. Q is equal A1 T1. Time is T1. Current is A1. Is that clear? So L will be how much? L is a M1 L2 how much? T minus 2 A minus 2. That is the dimension of self-inductance. M1 L2 T minus 2 and A minus 2. That is what the coefficient of self-inductance. समझ में है?